I am in my spare bedroom that also serves as a home office. And behind me here, you can see all of the business books that I have read. There are many more, but they're on my Audible. I listen to a lot of business books as well. So as I'm out riding my bike, or if I'm going to my walks, or if in my car, I always plug in Audible, and I enjoy listening to books as well, especially business books. I have learned so much over my 26 years in the pie business, and I am looking forward to sharing with you more business advice, more information. I have made a lot of mistakes, and I've got some links below that I'm going to share with you again if you have not seen them, about some big flub ups that I've made at my meeting with Kroger at their world headquarters, what I didn't know, what I should have known. So there's a link below to that one if you haven't seen it. And another one, how I screwed up with my Whole Foods video. But I do give some good business advice as well. I have made some good decisions and I have done some good things. My husband and I, like I said, have been in business here for 26 years. And we have our 6 retail pie shops here in Metro Detroit. We serve the community here. We also are in the frozen pie business. And so we provide a beautiful handmade, hand-crimped, all-natural, GMO-free pie across the country to a lot of grocery stores as well. So I'd love to share what I've learned over my 26 years. You know, in the beginning of our life in pie, starting out of our home, I did a video on that one too, our Birthplace. Really cute. You know, I have learned so much. Those first 5 years, maybe even the first 10 years, were so hard. When people come to us and ask us for business advice, I am just like, oh, you're a startup, you're learning, you're getting your feet wet, you're out, you know, you're running your own little business, or you're even contemplating. And when they come and ask for my secret to success, everyone knows there is no secret. You just got to work your face off. And you know, you may know Dave and I, we have 5 children. So in those early years, it was all about kids and work, kids and work. We just shared our day in between family, our children. We did not have a life of our own, basically. We did give up all of our hobbies. My husband was in karate. He gave that up right before he was getting ready to test for his black belt, which we regret. So not every piece of advice I'm going to give, I'm going to say, work your face off, work hard. We put in those 12-hour days, day in and day out, or longer. We did create a successful business. It did take a long time, but we worked very hard, and we did give up some things that sometimes we regret. We did save all of our money too. We were not out having expensive vacations. You know, we didn't do a lot of things that cost a lot of money. We always would find things that we could do for free. You know, we'd go to a park with the kids and do things like that. So we were not spending our money. We never bought a new car. We always bought used. So yeah, right there, a lot of business advice. So a lot of you are watching for the business advice. You're thinking about starting your own business, and or maybe you are in the early upstart stage of your business as well. So that's what I'm here to provide on this channel. However, a lot of you guys are tuning in, you're watching because you received an email from me every Wednesday through our list that we have collected over the years in our pie shops. We have 6 pie shops, as I said earlier, and people sign our guest book and sign in with their email. So then they can receive, you know, updates when new flavors are coming aboard. We send a coupon every once in a while. We let you know our holiday hours, like we've got Labor Day coming up here pretty soon, and we'll be closed for half a day on Monday. So just fun things like that. So you are more interested in all things pie and maybe not so much business advice. So pretty soon I'm going to stop using this list. You will only get this video notification if you subscribe to this channel and if you hit the notification bell. So like I said, once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do that free slice pie thing again. We celebrated when we hit 500, so we'll do it again when we hit 1,000. But like I said, pretty soon I'm not going to be sending it into your, you know, email box. I don't want to clutter things up. But anyway, today, if you follow us on social, you'll see that we were at a very fun event. Another piece of business advice: get out there in the community, get involved. We were at the Michigan Jewish Food Festival. I wish I could have run the booth there. That sounds like it would probably have a lot of great food, right? If you follow our Facebook and Instagram, you'll see that we were at the Armada Fair all week long. We always sponsor the pie eating contest. I was so happy we created this beautiful banner celebrating and acknowledging our MC for the pie eating contest, Mr. Jim Hanvey. He was so excited to see that we did like the whole drop down thing. He didn't know it and he turned around. It was really sweet. So he has served the Armada Fair for 36 years. So he has been emceeing all of the pie eating contests. We have a pizza eating contest, watermelon. Blake's does the corn on the cob eating contest. So much fun we've been having all week there at the Armada Fair. So we are very involved in our local communities. And you should be as well. If you are a small business owner or medium-sized business or a large business, you should always be doing your part, right, out in the community to make it a better place. So many times in our early years, Dave and I just felt like we worked, and felt like sometimes we were just tripping over each other. I don't know if it was very well run. It may have looked like that from the outside. People came into our shop, smelled really great pies, but it was just like 12, 14-hour days, day in and day out. There wasn't a whole lot of time for really good, high-quality training of our employees. A lot of times it was not easy. I was not easy to work with. I expected everything to be done a perfect certain way. Man, so if I expected a certain thing to be done a certain way, why wasn't I training? And so I would say, oh man, I just look back at myself in those early years. And if I could look back at that 28, 29, 30-year-old young woman first starting out, I would just say to that young woman, that little pie lady, calm down, relax. It'll all work out. The work will get done. Everything will be fine. We worked so hard to keep that place clean and neat and running smooth. I can remember being on the floor, scrubbing the floor on my hands and knees. You just want it to be great. But anyway, do you have a little shop, a little place where people love to come in and spend their money? I'm always looking for the next best little wonderful place. There's a great little shop here in Armada down the road called the Lamb's Tail Antiques. And I just love going. If you know that place, you too, you love going there. Bonnie does such a wonderful job of displaying all of her things, making everything look so nice. She has a really special talent and she runs her business very, very well. And I love going there and spending my money. So, we're always looking for really great food and coffee or experiences. We love to go there. Always looking for high quality places for us to spend our money, a place where we can go and have a really great experience. We love the small, well-run entrepreneurial upstarts. So let us know who you are. Let us know what you've got going, and we'll be over there to spend our money. So anyway, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this little piece of advice. And if you like this channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up so I know you got it, and I know that you want us to continue to produce more videos. All right, you guys, I wish you well. Take care. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.